Just east of Webster, South Dakota. Got a nice rain foot coming at us.
Lightning bolt. Catch that? Are you going to go south on 25?
So, yeah. How far? Yeah, I'm not too far away from that.
Maybe like a mile. God, that looks awesome. Ooh.
There's a rising motion. That's about it.
Waterside Hill. One storm was located along 14 miles northwest of Bismet. The second STOMR is located 4 miles northwest of Iroquois. Both storms are moving southeast at 20 miles an hour. Severe thunderstorms will be near 60 miles an hour. This storm was located 6 miles northwest of Naples, moving southeast at 30 miles an hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Henry around Pond 55.